Imagine two countdowns. 1. Glaciers vanishing at a rate of 150 billion tons a year. The other, heat waves breaking records in over 100 countries. Which clock would you stop first? Will Earth freeze if ocean currents flip? Or will it sizzle as trapped heat piles up? The answer isn't science fiction, it's physics unfolding right now. Over centuries, the laws of physics decide our fate. Did you know, the last time Earth was this warm, sea levels were 6 meters higher? Let's break down what the science really says. Today, Earth is about 1.5 degrees Celsius hotter than in 1850. Oceans have absorbed over 90% of that heat, enough energy to boil billions of kettles. Sea surface temperatures and global sea level, both smashing records. In 2024, NASA reported sea level rising faster than expected. Why? Warming oceans expand and melting land ice pours in, like topping off an already full glass. Melting sea ice is like ice cubes in your drink. It barely changes the level. But when land ice melts or oceans warm and swell, that's when the floodgates open. The ocean is a giant heat battery, slow to charge, slow to cool. Even if we stopped warming today, sea levels would keep rising for centuries as deep waters and ice sheets catch up. By 2100, cities like Miami, Jakarta, and Rotterdam are already planning for up to a meter of sea level rise. In New York, giant flood barriers are being designed. Did you know? The Netherlands has floating neighborhoods to adapt to rising water. Arctic sea ice is vanishing fast. Expect nearly ice-free summers before 2050, no matter what. But every fraction of a degree matters for millions of lives. Here's the kicker. Even if we stop warming tomorrow, sea levels keep rising for centuries. That's because the ocean and ice sheets take a long time to catch up. Venice, Italy, is already raising walkways and building mobile seawalls to cope with this slow-motion change. Extreme heat isn't just about deserts. In 2022, London hit 40 degrees Celsius for the first time ever. In India, cities are painting roofs white and planting trees to cool neighborhoods. Remember, dangerous heat stress can happen even below 35 degrees Celsius if humidity is high. Stay hydrated, seek shade, and check on neighbors during heat waves. South Asia, the Gulf, and parts of the tropics face the highest heat humidity risks. In Bangladesh, early warning systems and cool shelters are saving lives. Communities are working together to adapt, because resilience is a team effort. The Atlantic's currents are weakening, but a sudden collapse is unlikely this century. Still, changes will shift weather patterns. Think more storms in Europe, drier seasons in West Africa. Scientists are tracking these shifts with satellites and ocean sensors. Thawing permafrost releases more carbon, but it's a slow leak, not a sudden explosion. In Alaska, engineers are building roads on insulated foundations to prevent collapse. Innovation and adaptation go hand in hand. Here's the honest endgame. The physics is set, but the scale of impact is still up to us. Every action, cutting emissions, supporting green tech, or preparing communities, buys time and saves lives. Less coastal displacement, fewer deadly heat days, and lower costs for everyone. So, Earth won't suddenly freeze or burn. But it can reshape where we live, work, and grow food, and keep flooding coasts for centuries. The future isn't a coin flip, it's a slider. And you're the hand on it. What will you move next?